That's I can tell you about that actually. I learned about that on TV. Apparently, they do smash it, but the pressure of the champagne pushes all the glass out, so you're never gonna, like, if it's fizzy champagne, which it has to be, it's never gonna be glass floating around in the bottom of it. You're not gonna drink it, but can't do it with a bottle of Spatz because you'll likely fuck it up. Yeah, and you'll have to drink from it as well. But yeah, so blade out with the knife. And you want to get it on your knuckle and use that leverage.
Hey!
It's not even that easy.
It looks really
real tough.
Like you can see a little mark where it's been like pushing against my knuckle. That's like where you want to have it on that hard part.
I think Lana should try.
Yeah, do you want to try it?
Can we try at the same time?
We don't have knives.
How many knives do we have?
This knife's
there's
totally
lots of
blunt,
things.
by the way.
okay.
I wouldn't let you kids handle sharp knives.
Thanks for looking after our
Are
safety,
you
Alex.
going to open one with the phone, or does that just happen
Oh
to be
yeah,
there?
this is broken, so you
Yeah,
can
yeah,
use
this
this
is
like before you fuck up your own phone, like your own working phone. Same principle, leverage.
That's excellent. Okay, let's do some.
Scissors. This is like some level 2 shit.
I want to see how to do this. Oh yeah.
Do you have to be strong for this?
No, you don't. I don't think so. If you're doing it right, it should just happen. Watch closely. This one's going to be a bit funny because you can't really grip it.
Oh, that because of the bottle shape.
Yeah, because the bottle shape doesn't let you like put your whole hand around it.
Stay away from Bundy's.
And the mini lighter.
Range of tools.
I feel like I should have a YouTube channel.
You should have a YouTube channel.
This is a bit funnier, but this like sort of helps you understand that the leverage is what makes it pop off, not the particular item or whatever. Yeah. So you'll find that the knife is actually the easiest thing to use. Yeah.
Wait, should
I'll
we?
put the caps back on and then you guys should try.
Can you show me how that works too?
Yeah, definitely.
This guy.
That's the most interesting thing.
You don't have to be strong for this either.
Yes.
Whoa, that's so cool.
Pass it, Maya.
Do you want a knife?
Do we need to start a little like brewery?
Yes.
We said that at the start,
I
didn't
want
we?
to be the lighter guy.
Yeah, homebrew. I'm really keen for that.
Oh, the lighter.
Yeah, we can chuck it in the box with our band.
Oh.
We can still have a band.
I'm so excited for this band.
Wait, how do I hold it?
Like wrap it around.
Let's just all not
Yeah.
do it together.
It's this part of your knuckle that you want it to.
There.
Another lighter, Grace.
Yeah.
Ow!
So you might want to just experiment with turning it
Mini
around.
lighter.
Like that might work better, or
Pick one.
yeah, like that. That seems like it's good. Almost there.
Oh, don't stab
Don't worry.
yourself in the heart.
Try not to.
Leverage.
No, wait.
Almost there.
Hurts. Nope, I'm just stabbing it.
It's okay.
How do you
As
know?
long as we dispose of it quickly.
How does live?
That's the hard one, I reckon. I don't think I've ever opened enough.
I'm officially a man! Oh, you're not doing it right. No, I'm not doing it right.
Maybe try and
Hold it
hold
like
your hand up
this.
higher.
Like it's slightly up.
Higher.
Yeah,
Just hold
and
it
then
real
like
tight.
slip it under and then...
And then
Yay!
round further.
Hand up higher, Lana.
Yeah, hand up high. So you gotta like lean it on your hand.
We're going to look so cool at parties when all of
So
us
cool.
put
It's gonna
spotlight
happen.
pot bottles up.
But you're not going to
Can you
reuse it.
Yeah, has anyone got their knife on them?
Sorry.
Can you reuse
I
the
feel like it goes under it.
It's probably best not to. Don't worry, these
Made
bags
it.
of
Yo.
caps
It's your
cost like
turn.
$2 or something.
Wait, you gotta do yours first. I'm still waiting.
Wait, try with the knife.
Wait, can I have a go?
No.
You're trying to go like that.
for me?
Yeah. The action on
Maybe film me because I keep missing them.
So like it just needs to start so you've got as
might
much
take mine off.
of this.
So-
and you can get
What are you using? The
Try
leather?
that.
It looks
The way I
hard.
do it is I use this part of my knuckle.
That part of your knuckle.
Yeah.
You need to like rest the knife, I think, on more hand.
Okay.
More
right.
hand.
Yeah.
Oh, jeez.
Does it feel better? It feels better. But I give up.
Don't
No,
give up.
Come on, you can do it.
Oh,
No.
shit, that hurts, eh?
Mm.
Can I use a different thing?
Yeah.
want this one?
There's a yellow one floating around.
You know, look at the media.
Okay, so you're resting it on your knuckle.
Yes.
Yeah, and you want the lighter to start at a point where it's like best to bend it. So you want to like have your hand fairly tight around the neck of the bottle so that it doesn't slip. And you want the lighter to
Can I-
start
is
at a
it
point
possible
where
for
it's
me
not
to
going to
break
push
this
away
Yeah.
from the bottle. It's going to.
But it's okay
It's
if you
gonna,
do
like,
and you hear
start at
gas
a-
coming
at a
out,
good
just
angle,
roll
so
out the window really quick.
You can make
No,
that
seriously.
action without going anywhere.
Don't fuck around.
So, tight. Oh, it doesn't
I
feel
think
like
nice
I think your
start.
problem is that the lighter is too perpendicular to the bottle.
Yeah.
It needs to start
Because
about
of the lighter,
there.
you just like put it
So if you have it rigid
Nice.
and the lighter pointing in like at 45 degrees,
aside.
Ow.
Myself bleed.
It's all good.
Alex, I can't work this thing.
maybe it's.
I don't want to do it off this knuckle.
I think it's just
you
this
all.
ball is a bit short. You have to give it a booster seat. Yeah, that should look better.
Alright.
Yeah. Yay!
Ow, fuck, my life. Yeah.
That's pretty close though. That's like almost there.
If
Then you just
wanna
whack
try
it on
just get
something.
One pop, just like,
Yeah. Because I feel like I've,
just like boom.
like, it feels like I've got it. Ow.
Yeah, definitely.
Yay! Oh, the battle wounds.
Eventually you'll have a
Should we stop?
big white
Come on,
callus
Lana.
and